Paragraph writing Pranab Mukherjee. A renowned political personality, Sri Pranab Mukherjee was born in Birbhum district, West Bengal on December 11, 1935. His father's name is Kamada Kinkar Mukherjee and his mother's name Rajlakshmi Mukherjee. He completed his MA degree in Political Science and Law from the University of Calcutta. He accepted the proposal of Indira Gandhi and joined the INC, Indian National Congress, in 1969. This well-respected politician served our country as finance, defense, external affairs minister and 13 president at different times. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan 2008 and the Bharat Ratna 2019. He died on August 31, 2020.